Resetting your password on Magento is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the login page. Navigate to the Magento login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Magento account in the designated field and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Magento containing a password reset link. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click the link in the email, which will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it to complete the reset process. Now you can log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your site administrator for further assistance.